I'm Nicole Alinsod, the president of Brock's Marketing Association, also known as the BMA. With 15 plus years of experience, BMA is one of the biggest student clubs at the Goodman School of Business. We aim to motivate and inspire undergraduate students by hosting events like Marketing Table Talks, the Hustle Series, and we plan on hosting our flagship case competition, So You Think You Can Sell. This case competition is where students can showcase their selling and communication skills and win up to $300 and an interview with PepsiCo Foods Canada for a sales-related position. At this event, we want to set students up for success, so you'll have the opportunity to attend a sales pitch workshop hosted by our sponsor, SI Systems. Please take note that you do not have to be a member of the BMA to participate in this event. BMA is dedicated to working for our students and providing them the resources they need to be successful. Please follow our Instagram, the Goodman BMA, to keep in the know of upcoming events.